go there. Gotta talk to that dude. Gotta talk to that chick. Gotta go to that place. Gotta get that shit signed. I gotta fucking go. I gotta fucking go. Gotta go right now, yeah. Wake up in the morning, every fucking day. Yeah, there's a place I'd like to go. The people that fucking know. That's why more people say I like mine, but where's what you will say? Go here, gotta go there, gotta talk to that dude, gotta talk to that chick. I gotta fucking go, I gotta fucking go, I gotta fucking go! Gotta go right now, yeah. Gotta go right now. Wake up in the morning, every fucking day. I know the place to go for quality home appliances and electronics. All the shit you need for your house. You go down south, there's a man named Elvis. He's gonna take care of you. He's gonna sling you the best deal you can, baby. That's why more people say